Hi everyone, and today we are going to find out how to find a T code from a table. So in order to find a T code from a table, first of all we need to go to SE11. Okay, so I will just go to SE11. Now once you go to SE11, you need to enter the table name. Now let's say table name EKKO, that is for the purchase order. Okay, so I will just enter the table name over here and we'll click on display. So once I click on display, I will get all the objects related to this table. So all the fields or data element you can see in this table are mentioned over here. So what I need to do, next I need to go and click over here, display object list. Once I click over here, in the left hand side you will see a block or a pop-up menu coming over here. Okay, here it is. And herein it's a package, it's the object name. So herein we need to find out the object name called as transaction. So let me just scroll down and try to find where is the object name called as transaction. Okay, let me scroll down a bit more. I suppose it is, we still need to scroll a bit, and once you find that transaction object name, then you will be able to find out the T code as well. So okay, now here, okay, herein you can see, okay, here is that. Okay, so you can see we have the object called as transactions. Just click on here. Once you click it, you will be finding all the T codes related to this. Okay, in this particular table all these T codes apply. So for purchase order, for creation of purchase order, we use ME21N. Okay, so we'll just scroll down and see if it is over there. Here it is. Hope you like the tip. You can also use other tables to find the T code as well. Subscribe to the channel, like the video.